Finding the right desk setup for productivity is very difficult. I used to waste so much time chasing the perfect desk setup, clean cable runs, the right lights, and really just kind of matching everything. But the one that I have now, even though it's not perfect, and that's really just kind of the point, it just works and it actually helps me get things done. Right now, I'm studying for my AWS certification and working towards becoming a cloud engineer. And if you want to follow me on that journey, I will link it down in the description. I spend a lot of hours right here, so I wanted a setup that wouldn't distract me too much. Powering the entire setup, I'm using a MacBook Pro with the M2 Pro chip, and if you want to see a review of that, I will also link that down in the description. It has plenty of power for everything that I'm doing right now. I currently pair it with this dock from iVANKY. It really is just plug and play. It connects to everything: my monitor, audio interface, my hard drives. It makes it super easy to just go from laptop mode to being in desktop mode without being too involved and overthinking. Then I've got the 240Hz LG OLED as my main display. It's definitely overkill for my everyday tasks for work and cloud engineering, but I already had it for gaming, so it became a part of the workflow. And speaking of gaming, this is my gaming rig. It is currently running a Ryzen 5900X with 32GB of DDR4 at 3200 MHz and a Ryzen 7900 XTX. This setup is able to give me the FPS I need to utilize all 240Hz this monitor can give me. Then I've got the Rodecaster Pro II as my audio interface that connects the audio from my MacBook and my PC. I can have a video or music playing on my MacBook and it doesn't mess with my game audio from my PC because they are routed to different faders. It can also connect to my phone via Bluetooth, so even my calls and text notifications can be heard. Next, I have my keyboard and mouse set up. I currently have the Keychron Q1 Pro paired with the Logitech MX Master. The reason why I have both of these is because they can connect to multiple devices via Bluetooth, and currently I have them set up for my Mac and my PC, and there are no need for any wires except for when I have to charge them. And when you speak of productivity, you think about workflow. And so most days I start with my Outlook calendar or my task journal to see what's on my agenda for the day. I'm currently trying to make the switch to Notion and have it be my new all-in-one calendar and task app, but I haven't really done that yet. I'm currently just using it to keep track of what I'm studying, what videos I'm working on, and what I need to learn next. The task journal that I use is the Finisher Secrets Journal 2.0. I'm still new to trying the plan your week and break it down into smaller tasks and time blocking thing, and it does help when I stick to it though. It forces me to think about things in a strategic way and break them down into manageable tasks. I just have to remember to try and plan out the next day the night before. I also use a shared Apple Calendar with my fiance to just keep track of important events, especially on weekends when we may have a shift at our second job, family functions, or even church events. Over the years, I've accumulated a nice setup, and I used to think that a fancy setup was everything that I needed, but it just became another form of procrastination for me. So now this is my setup and it works when I need it to. So this is what's working for me right now. And if you have a setup that helps you focus or tools that you love, please drop them down in the comments because I'm always looking for new things to try and tweak mine. But that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.